Hey everyone, in today's short video I want to show you how to restart your iPhone without pressing the physical power button at the top of the phone. So in order to do this, you need to go into your settings, then tap on accessibility, then tap on touch, then tap on assistive touch. Make sure assistive touch is switched on. Once you switch it on, you'll notice a white circle pop up on the screen at the right hand side. You can move the white circle anywhere on the screen by long pressing and then dragging it around. Now press the home button and return back to your home screen, and then tap on the white circle. Then a menu will appear and tap on device, then tap on more. Then you'll see the option to restart. Tap on that and it will give you a prompt if you want to restart or not. I'll press cancel for now, as this is just a tutorial on how to do it. If you want to get rid of the white button, then you need to go into your settings, accessibility, touch, and then assistive touch. Toggle it off and the white button will disappear. And there you go guys, that is how to restart the iPhone without pressing the power button. Hope this video has helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button on this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.